talking to the bird. Harley's over here crying because she can't have salami. I'm talking to the bird. What? You're not a bird. You're a dog. Ow! Ow! I'm just gonna lick the slobber off my hands. What about the slobber? Oh, the ground's dirty. Everything's dirty. I need a shower. The birds have you forgotten? Oh. I did forget the bird. Oh, there it is. Oh. It's on the top of the house. Oh. Oops. Oh. Where'd it go? She flew away. She was in the corner of the house. I didn't point properly. I must have given away my location as a human. My identity as a human. Both my identity and location were given away to the bird, and she determined I was human. Harley, I love you. Say I love you. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.